Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the headlight on a Chevy Silverado. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and your replacement headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set. Wearing protective gloves is also a good idea to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the new bulb. Next, open your hood and find the 2 retaining pins located on the top of the headlight assembly. These pins hold the assembly in place. Carefully pull both pins straight up until they are fully disengaged. Once the pins are out, you can gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward to remove it from the vehicle. Now that the assembly is out, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight bulb. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Take your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass, and insert it into the housing. Twist it clockwise until it clicks securely into place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its slot on the vehicle. Push the 2 retaining pins back down firmly until they are fully seated, securing the assembly. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.